replacing the latch, a new latch with an old latch. Here's the new latch that I wish to replace, and here's the old one. Now, the hole here is small, so in some cases you may have to use a chisel to open up the hole a wee bit larger so that your new equipment may be able to fit. Now, notice your latch and watch for this part. Make sure it is facing in the right direction when you place it into position. Then all you have to do is screw on this latch plate, and you have step one of your lock complete. My instructions tell me to make sure, and here's the knob, the exterior knob that goes on the outside of this door, that the stems are horizontal when I place it into the latch, and also that the keyhole is vertical, that's going up and down, and the stems are going across. Now, when I get ready to put this in, the knob doesn't fit. So there's an adjustment here, so you shouldn't panic, and I move it over. Then I slip the exterior knob in, and as you can see, this is a pretty good fit. So it looks like we're on the right track. Now our next job is to take the interior knob with the little lock. This is the bathroom, and we want to be able to lock people out if we wish. And you are to align it with the stem that's here, and there are two holes here. And you want to look at these two holes inside and match it up with these holes on the outside and screw them in together. Then your knob will be complete. If the alignment seems difficult, just simply move the inside of the knob until you are aligned, and then you're. Now that we have aligned the screws with the screw holes, we can begin to screw them in. Screw in the screw that's closest to the outside first. And then your job is over. Your old face plate or strike plate would be very similar to your new one. In this case it is not, but it's still doable. I need to make a hole for the second nail. So what I'm going to do is first, for the second screw, I'm going to take this nail and sort of get a start for my screw. So it'll be a lot easier for it to screw in. And now I am ready for the screw. Oops, there it goes on the floor. But I am ready to check it out. Let's see if we can close the door with ease. Okay. And it actually locks. As you can see, replacing a knob isn't difficult. In fact, you can do it too.